So there we goes. Happy New Year. Let's see. I got those back now from coating, so now they are thicker. They are 26 millimeters now all the way, so that's nice. Before it wasn't like this. So let's feed it, mount on the carburetor, and check how they go and if they still have a lot of play. So let's see. Let's go. So that's unfortunate because I just cleaned up the top of it, okay, and then the top was perfect. Now it's really tight on the top, but underneath where it should be really tight, it isn't. It's not that bad as it was, but it's still bad. So what I mean by that, it means that this one here is still going like this. Okay, this one goes, let's see. You see how much it's moving? That's way too much. Okay, so this is the idea. Let's try to explain it quickly. Let's go. Okay, so this one looks like this. So I'm gonna ask now to Frank if we can do like a cup like this that we can put on top of this one, and then this diameter make it into the carburetor, so we have almost no play. So voila. So let's see if he can make it, then yeah, then that's the solution. And if he can't, then I will need to buy something in Spain, yeah. So let's see. So there we go. Let's build this one back. Frank, he made it a little bit thicker, so now we'll need to put everything back together and see if it really closes, because it can be that now it doesn't close. So that's the first thing to check, and once that's done, I can put everything back together and test it. So let's see. I'm curious. I'm really curious. So let's go. So the bellow is ready now to get started and check the clutch. So let's see. Let's try to start it. I pumped already some gasoline, so because of course everything was dry. So yeah, let's see. I checked the level of the oil engine and it's okay. Later on I will fill it up. I need to check if it's some in the carter, because right now it's kind of like here. It should be a little bit higher. So let's see. The gearbox now has some oil too. I fill it up. How you do that? So you can check on the book, or you can just you take this one out. Oh, sorry, you take this one out, and then once you pull it out, you fill it up from here, from this one, and you just wait until you see that it drops. When it starts to drops, then it's at the perfect level, and voila. So okay, let's see. Let's do some cardio. Let's go. Woo, bijna. Wow. Yeah, this can happen too. Fucking hell. Yeah, what happened? I just kicked with all my body to the floor, and now my knee is oh fucking hell. That once, this what happened was with an auto commando, and my back went that way. I put it back like I'm doing now, so no problem, but it hurt like a motherfucker. I hate this little tiny thing, it's so short. I don't know why they did it like this way. And of course, it doesn't go straight and stay stable. No, it goes a little bit downward. So if you put too much pressure, your feet are gonna go like this. Nice, eh? And you think, why is not the rubber there? Well, the rubber, it just jumps when you kick a few times. That rubber just jumps out of the place. So there you got it. Okay, break time. Fucking hell. Still doing the same. Not that hard as before, but okay. It's not the end of the world. It's not, but God damn it. Goes. Yesterday I was working on the on the clutch of the Velo. Yeah, it's pretty cold here, and yeah, the clutch gets free but not fully free. Like it's still engaged a little, just a tiny bit. Like if you hold it the first time, it's free. But if you lose the clutch and you grab it again, then it grabs a little bit. So it still needs some adjustment. Today I'm gonna move further later on. Right now, as you saw, I was checking on the gearbox from the Norton Commando, the 850, and yeah, many things have been changed already because they were broken in the past, but it hasn't been built. For instance, this one, the original one, it was cracked from here. Wait, from this one was it? Yeah, sorry, from this one it cracked through this, and I cracked this one over. So I bought this one new second hand, and this one I bought it new second hand too. And then let's see, the one that must be changed still is this one. So this one is not good. Those are good. This one, it was damaged in the inside, so I changed it for an old stock. Yeah, it must be clean up, but it's good. And in the case, I need to change those bearings, those. So everything must be changed, but looking good, really looking good. So that's good. And yeah, now let's see, the list has been done, and now I need to jump to for today. Let's see. let's start the day with this. Okay, so that hole must to be closed, here must to be welded, here must to be welded, here too, this one too. And then where was it? Somewhere else. It was, let's see, it was a big one. Oh, there you go. Yeah. So this one, yes. So let's repair all this, weld it, and yeah, the refining, the owner will do it himself. So voila. Let's start with this one, and this one I still miss a part because somebody broke this one. Let's see, I can show it. Yeah, somebody broke it or took it off, I don't know. But the owner is gonna bring it, and then I am going to weld it in place, and voila. Yes. But I think this one is gonna be next week, and today I'm gonna finish this one. Yeah. So let's get at it. So that's all. Now the owner will refine this and this and make a new hole in it. Let's see. Voila. Okay, that's one side. This is the second side. The other side, I mean. Voila. Okay. Tuck tuck. And let's see. Then we had, where was it? Here, that one. There you go. Yeah. So this one is ready to go. And now, hopefully today they pick up this one and they bring me this little thing. And then next week I can finish this one. Yeah.